No, I haven't seen a drop in numbers. And I think, people in Southeast Asia are in some ways a little bit robuster than maybe some others. And they know where to avoid. People still want to come to Hong Kong. And I think people in Hong Kong are probably using this as a reason to go to Thailand or Malaysia or Indonesia or Bali. So our load factor to Hong Kong at the moment is running in the high 90s. So we're not experiencing any issues. This is the beauty of low-cost carriers, that people will still travel because the fare is not that expensive, even though there may be some disruptions, and tourism can continue.
What about the broader issue of the U.S. China trade dispute? And again, Tony, something we've talked about many times before, but what's your feeling now on how much it is impacting travel between, of course, not just the U.S. and China, but within Asia itself?
Yeah, well, I saw definitely a dip in China. The impact. I think people were cautious. They were holding back their spending and worried about what was going to happen in China. But now it's back to normal. Load factors are strong, both directions. We're kind of a beneficiary when things slow down anyway. People take shorter trips and go down to low-cost carriers. So we've seen China come back. A little bit of a dip between China and Thailand, and those were for separate issues. But again, that's recovering quite strongly as well.
Tony, do you believe that the environment is conducive for more growth for the sector? And I'm taking a leaf from what's happening essentially in India and the kind of pressures that the airline industry is facing there. And if that were to be the case, if things are slowing down, then do you think low-cost carriers have an advantage to survive?
Yeah, I mean, I've been through everything, I am an optimist, but we've been through so many recessions, so many major macro issues, and yet at every time we have grown further than the market because we're more resilient. I've always said lowest cost wins, and we have a great structure. While it's taken us time to get Indonesia, Philippines, and India kind of cranking along, we're now in a very good position. We've got scale there. We're growing very well in Indonesia. It'll be our strongest growth airline in the group. Philippines, I've always said, is our diamond in the rough. And India, because of obviously capacity changes with Jet Airways, is also looking very good. So I do think, and history has shown, low-cost carriers are much more resilient in a slowdown. And travel is part of everyone's life now. In fact, recently I saw a study by McKinsey or one of the banks saying that actually people in Southeast Asia will cut other spending before they cut travel. Travel is the last thing they want to cut.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.